For some clients, they appreciate that at the very outset, we delve deep with them. We don't just jump into the work. We have lots of conversations with them, email exchanges, document exchanges. And so from our very first engagement, it's clear that we want to be a partner with them. And it's important for us to know not everything going on in the organization, but a lot. We want to know the details, the background, the history. We really try to make sure that we are extremely knowledgeable, that we're not a surface organization. We want to get into the substance.
We work to make sure that young children in this country have access to high-quality learning. ACS plays two key roles for us. The first is they actually know our content. They know early childhood, and so their advice is grounded in what is a deep knowledge of the field of early learning and how young children learn and how programs work. And so that is an important element of our relationship. And then secondly is really their trade or their discipline, and that is expertise in communications. And what I've found with ACS, both in my role here at NAEYC and previously as the CEO of First Things First, is that they're able to both provide the tactical support for our communications work, but they're also able to do the strategic thinking with us and be partners in thinking strategically about how to optimize whatever the communication strategy is going to be. And I find that absolutely invaluable. For me, and having worked with a lot of consultants, too many consultants, they kind of offer advice, and then you're left to implement. And that is not the experience with ACS. They both bring their expertise so that we've got a well-oiled machine for a plan, but then they're actually able to implement on the plan too. And being able to have skills in both of those areas is rare in my experience with consultants.
We've helped them develop relationships with key audiences or key stakeholders that put them in a different place from a reputation standpoint so they can help shape things moving forward, whether it be with the media, the legislature, or stakeholders in their community.
With ACS's understanding of our work, with ACS's understanding of what's going on the national level and the state level, we're poised to develop strong strategies here to improve outcomes for kids in the early childhood setting and all the youth continuum, as well as deliver a stronger message to all interested parties so that we could move an appropriate agenda forward.
ACS is constantly thinking strategically about the big picture and what our priorities on hand are. Strategy is something that's meant to be flexible. We're able to look around corners for our clients by staying up to date on issues and topics that are going to impact our clients. And by staying up to date on the issues and topics, we're actually able to forecast what's going to impact our clients in the long term, what's going to impact them in the short term, and what's going to be coming down the pike right away.
In the government relations world, it's really hard to qualitatively measure our efforts. ACS breaks that mold. They have expertise in managing crisis. They have expertise in working with media. We certainly have seen them aid our business development efforts, which is difficult, right? Because that's more of a sales-like role, and not all government relations professionals can bring to the table those sales strategies and also be mindful of the sensitive dynamic that HMS is in. When it relates to ACS and our experience in Ohio, they've been instrumental in being part of the strategy to advance our footprint in the state. As a result of the strategies that ACS helped us come up with, we've increased our footprint exponentially in the state. We were able to gain business in a new agency that will materially impact our bottom line.
ACS's role for us at First Things First was to really do a deep dive with those volunteers in building and bolstering their skill set and their confidence around how they could be advocates for young children and helping them to see a path to being effective communicators, whether it was developing messages or how to work with the media. And so we've initiated some similar work here at NAEYC. ACS has helped us launch a 4-part webinar series on communications, and our target audience are our affiliate volunteers with the same goals in mind.
Their ability to develop and sustain relationships, which is such a critical part of doing advocacy, is fantastic. Always finding a way to connect and convey the right message at the right time to the right person to advance your agenda.
My approach and ACS's approach has always been that if you don't know an answer, you don't give one until you know the answer. And we just constantly present legislators with the absolute best information that we can and with honesty and integrity, and they've come to know that they're always going to get that from us.
The reason why many people come to us is that they want a win for the long term. They don't want to have to go back and do things over and over again because we didn't go deep enough into the conversation or deep enough into a process to change it from the inside out. And I think that's what makes us different. We're willing to go far into the conversation or deep down into a process to change things fundamentally, to change the frame of the issue or the legislation or the conversation, to change it for the long term so we don't have to go back a year, 18 months, 2 years down the road to say, why are we in the same place we were 2 years ago?